Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020. And we're going to start this reading with the very first sign in the sequence, which is Aries. And Aries, we're reading these cards for you. We're going to cover the generic aspect of your life. We're going to cover all the aspects rather of your life, like your finances, your career, your relationships. So we will have a glimpse of everything here in this reading. But before we get it started, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that you can reach me for your personalized readings easily. You can reach me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can telegram me on these numbers and this email ID, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead and see what is there in store for you, Aries, and see how are the vibrations for you in the month of December 2020. And we will anyways the way we start our readings, always we are going to start the readings with your theme of the month card. What is the fairy message for you? And then we will get ahead and see week wise events happening in your life. What is important, which is so important, is there in your cards. So we will get ahead with that. So the very first card is your theme of the month card, Aries, and that talks about believe in magic. When the fairy says believe in magic, it says that open your eyes, see magic all around you. There are things which are magical around you. There are people who are magical around you, with whom you can share your life, Aries, and who can give you wonderful advices in life. So look around and look for people who can be your best advisors and who can give you advice and whom you can believe in terms of when it comes to taking life decisions, Aries. So magic is happening around you. Magic is happening in your life in the month of December 2020. The very important thing which is in your card and which is the very first week, which is about the very first week of your month, is there is a movement happening in your life. And I think the kind of craving you always had in terms of stability, you were, maybe your life was not stable. I will not say it is going to be stable in the month of December. You will start your journey from the the castle of instability and then wars and disputes. You're starting your journey from there, and you are moving towards, in search of stability, in search of peace, in search of a stable life. That's what you're starting your journey with in the month of December. So I will not say, and don't assume that December is going to be a stable month for you. December will be a month which will make you a person who is jotting down everything from life, who has collected everything from life experience, and then this person is moving ahead in life towards stability, or maybe you're starting a plan to move towards stability. I will connect it with your 2020 overall. This month has been a little unstable month for a lot of us. There have been unstable events happening in all of our lives. So this is what you're moving from, towards the stability, and this is what the background of this card is. Now, what is the primary focus in life? When I say stability, are you looking for emotional stability? More, is that your primary focus? Are you looking for financial stability? Are you looking for stability in your studies? Then I will say something which is to do with materialistic stability, like your finances, your career, is something which that is going to be your primary focus in the month of January 2021, because December is going to give you that path, that background, which will take you ahead, Aries. Okay. Second week talks about closure to one cycle of your life. Now, when I say closure of one cycle, again, I will repeat my words and I will say that do not assume that December will put a closure or the end on something and then you move ahead in a very beautiful month, very good month in the month of December. No, December will make you work hard. December will make you work on certain aspects of your life, which will take you ahead in life in terms of terms of long-term stability. So December is going to make you work very, very hard with your relationships, your career, your studies, your financial stability. It is going to be a not difficult month, but then something wherein you will require to do a lot of hard work, Aries. Okay. Second week, again I will talk about it. You will be at a planning stage. You will be planning something. Planning is coming your way. You already have something in hand, but then now you want to work from a perspective of long-term settlement. You will also be working from the prospects of what do I say, and how should I really tell you? um, you will be working towards a plan which will take you towards future. You already have certain things in your hand, but then you want to look from a perspective that with these things can you get ahead long term in your the year coming ahead. So you are planning something out of the box right now, Aries. That's something which is very much there in your cards. Okay, now when I move ahead to the third week, Aries, um, I will say that you will meet a lot of people who will not be your well wishers, but then they will have a habit of talking to you a lot, or maybe they have a talking of, blabbering a lot, and they are like manipulators. These people are someone who will work towards creating problems in your life rather than making you settled person in life. So these are not well wishers, but then you're still surrounded with these people. So be careful with who's your well wisher and whom you are sharing your plans with, because you might not be sharing it with the right kind of people. So if you have something, you are anyways planning in the second week. So the planning is going ahead in the third week, but then there I will tell you and advise you to hide your plans from the eyes of people who have nothing to do with your growth, and they're like back bitches kind of people. So I will say, by hiding these plans, because why do I really suggest you to hide this? Because these people are envious people. They envy you, or maybe they are jealous of your progress, they're jealous of your strength. A lot of you might come across this kind of set of people, so please be careful. Also, the plans you're making in the second week, in the third week, there's an execution of plans happening. You're just throwing that wand out of your hands, and then you are executing those plans in the third week, and you're very serious about it. Now when you're serious about it, I will again say that do not share your secret plans, or maybe your planning thing, with anyone else, because you might invite jealousy, and that might actually put hurdles and obstacles in the work what you get ahead with. December will be a lot about leaving the past behind and then moving ahead in your future. Relationships which were not working well for you for couples from a lot of time now, like it has been years now, I will say 2 3 years, 4 years, it's a long term association with this person which has not worked well. Few of you might move out of that relationship, or decide to move out of that relationship for your own desires and to complete your own wishes, which there's no harm in that, but then make sure when you are making a decision, you are not repenting on your decision. So please analyze all the situation well, and that's when you take a decision ahead, or make a move in thing. Because if I look at your cards of December 2020, Aries, there is a movement happening. There are things you're leaving behind, there are things you're moving towards to, there are things you need in order to share with people around you. And in relationships, if I have to be categorical about relationships, and I will say that I'm doing a relationship reading right now for you, you might be interacting with a person in your life who is a little cold in energy, or maybe someone who likes the things to be his way only. Have you seen those people who have this concept very clear in life, that my way or highway? So this is that kind of energy. This person wants you to walk on the path which is scraped by them, or walk on a path which is actually designed by them for you, no matter if it is good for you or bad for you, but then they want things to be done as per their expectations and their wishes. I don't suggest you to walk that path. I'll be very clear with you. Take your own decisions. And why do I really say that? Because I don't really have very positive things coming in my mind when I look at this person. A partner you are dealing with, Aries, who's very cold in energy, and he himself is rock solid person. Okay, so he himself has his grounds and everything very strong, and this is why this overconfidence comes to them automatically, that people should follow me, and there's no other option they have. So this is the kind of mindset they have in future. But then with this person you are confused. Either you're confused with a yes or a no, that you should spend your life with this person or no, or you are confused about you have a choice in life and you want to go ahead with that life. So that kind of a choice making can also happen in the month of December 2020 for you. Anyways, whatever way you follow, whatever path you follow, there's a change coming your way in January 2021, and the path for that will be craved and designed by you yourself, Aries. Okay. Start where you are. So where you are, you can start. You can give a new start to your life. You are right now with a person uh, where you about whom you are confused, or maybe the person you are with right now, you're not very happy with that person. So you can start your life with this new person also. Universe is giving you a go ahead to get ahead in this life, and then with this new person altogether in life. Aries, movement is certainly there in your cards. Planning is coming your way. You're planning your relationship also, or you're planning your finances also. A new business idea is running into your mind. That is you're certainly doing. And also, if you get stuck somewhere, if you feel like stuck somewhere, just close your eyes and ask your angels that you need help, and they will come and help you, because this month is going to be a very beautiful month for you, Aries. There are movements happening. You are planning things in December. So planning is all about planning, Aries. December is all about planning for future. So plan your future well. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, be happy, be nice to people around you, and have a blast in December, because we are going to hit 2021 very, very soon, and that's going to be a new year, a new life altogether. So take care. God bless you guys.